Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off mobile hotspot on Windows 10. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off mobile hotspot, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In Settings, click on Network and Internet. In left pane, you will find mobile hotspot. Click on mobile hotspot and here you will find a button to turn it on or off. Now my mobile hotspot is turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Now my mobile hotspot is turned off on Windows 10 laptop. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.